Hello kids, today we will draw a cute Togepi Pokemon. So let's start. First draw a big half circle, like this. Draw it in the middle of the paper. Good job, now draw some zigzag line and connect the both ends. Draw up and down, like a mountain. Well done, it's looking very great. Now draw the head. Draw it like the big mountain. Make it pointed, like this. Now draw another mountain, in the middle. Look, we are drawing total 3 shapes. Good job, now small shape in between them. Good job, now draw the another shape, just like this. Well done, it's looking very nice. Now let's draw the hands. Draw a small curved line, then connect it like this. Now draw the other hand also. Do the same thing. And it's done. Now let's draw the leg. Just draw it, like the hand. Make curved line, and it's done. Now let's draw the Togepi design in the body. First draw a triangle, like this. Now draw another shape, make it like a box. Now draw another shape inside it. Good job, it's looking very cute. Now draw a big triangle, like this. You know what, it's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw another triangle inside it. Just draw like me and it's done. Draw some shape on side, like this. Lastly, draw a diamond shape, like this. Then draw another shape inside it, and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's draw the face. First draw the eyes. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Now let's draw the mouth. Draw a line, then make a big U shape. Then draw a line inside, like this. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Draw a small line, and look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use yellow color, and color the head. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color carefully on zigzag area. Now just color up and down, and continue to color. Make sure not to color the eye and mouth. Color the outline of eye and mouth. Then you will not make any mistake. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Just color like me, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Don't forget to color the small area also. Good job, it's looking very great. Now color the hand also. Color both hands slowly and carefully. Also color the leg. Now use red color and color the body design. Color only the tube part. Well done, now color the diamond shape. Color only the ring area, and it's done. Good job, now use blue color and color the other shape. Now color the big triangle shape. Do the same thing, and color only the ring part. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now color the last design, and it's done. Now use brown color and color the mouth. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use gray color and make some shadow. Draw a curved line, like this. Then slowly fill the color. Color the lower part also. Also color inside the design, like this. Now draw some line on side of design. Well done, it's looking very great. Now make some small shadow on zigzag part. It's looking very great. Now draw some line on side of head. Draw line on the other side also. Lastly, draw shadow on small area, and it's done. To make the drawing more shiny, use white color and draw a small circle on the eye. Draw a circle on both eyes. Now draw some line on the head, like this. Well done, now draw some line on the design also. Draw some small line, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute Togepi is looking. You know what? Togepi is a very cute Pokemon. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.